I've been given evidence this morning to the Welsh Affairs Select Committee, who have been scrutinising the Wales Bill at the Senedd. Plaid Cymru has a number of concerns about the Wales Bill. It should have been a great opportunity to clarify our devolution settlement into something workable, and I'm afraid that opportunity has been missed. With clawbacks and necessities tests, there's a real risk that the devolution settlement that we have will be further downgraded. Now, Plaid Cymru wants our National Assembly to have powers for a purpose, so that we can improve people's lives in Wales. What needs to happen to improve this bill? First of all, Wales needs its own legal jurisdiction. Secondly, all of the powers that have been agreed by the Silk process have to be agreed in full. And thirdly, there must be no clawbacks. We must move towards a system where Wales has parity with the other devolved nations within the UK. Plaid Cymru MPs will be working to that end to get a decent settlement, the settlement that people in Wales now deserve.